Welcome to Scholar's Tutorial, where reasoning patterns become simple and clear. Let's solve this coding-decoding question. First, we identify the logic used in the given example. Look at how each letter is converted into a number. Each letter is replaced by its position in the alphabet list. C is the third letter, L is the 12th letter, O is the 15th letter, S is the 19th letter, and E is the 5th letter. Now apply the same rule to useful. U becomes 21, S becomes 19, E becomes 5, F becomes 6, U becomes 21, and L becomes 12. So, useful is coded as 21-19-5-6-21-12. The correct answer is option B. With Scholar's Tutorial, coding patterns become easy to spot and quick to solve. Subscribe and follow Scholar's Tutorial for clear, exam-focused 11+ support. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.